Welcome to the Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to put a jump link in a Word document, step by step. This is a really handy feature when you want to link sections within the same document. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word and the document where you want to create the jump link. Step 2. Now select the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This will be the text that takes you to another part of the document. Step 3. Next, head to the top toolbar and click on the Insert tab. Step 4. In the Insert tab, find and click on the Hyperlink option. Step 5. A new window will appear. From here, select Place in this document. Step 6. You'll see a list of headings and sections in your document. Choose the one you want to link to, like the top of the document, for example. Step 7. Once you've made your selection, click OK to create the jump link. To use the link, just press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and click the link. It will immediately jump to the section you've linked to. And that's it. Thanks for watching.